At the California Academy of Sciences, our animal care staff provide food, water, and shelter to all of our animals. Biologists also make sure to provide enrichment, choices, challenges, or changes in environment that are appropriate for a species. In this video, biologist Raya is providing our small Burmese vine snakes with live fish to catch and eat. Not all our snakes get fed in their habitat like the vine snakes. Biologists move bigger snakes to make sure their feedings go smoothly. Here, the biologists are using their hands to gently hold the snake, as well as a snake hook to support the snake's body. What do you think this carpet python will eat? Now that the snake is safely out of its habitat, biologist Olivia is offering the python a rat. Imagine swallowing your food whole. It might take some time for the snake to finish its food. Even snakes go to the doctor, our veterinarian that is. With a large python like this one, it's a team effort to hold the snake for a physical exam. This is like a checkup appointment that a person might get once or twice a year to monitor for any changes in health. In a snake's physical exam, our vet staff will look for changes in the snake's appearance, observe the snake's mouth and eyes, and take some measurements. Can you imagine holding a snake that big? What would it be like? We also use tools to learn what's going on inside the snake. This is our green anaconda getting an ultrasound.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
That was her heartbeat. The ultrasound can help us detect any changes in the snake's organs. Through observations during regular feedings and annual health exams for our snakes, the Academy's biologists and vet staff always do their best to keep the animals as healthy as possible.